I think it's wise to start off with the school masjid because the heart of our school lies in the masjid. Like the whole foundation of Edmonton Islamic Academy is the Islamic portion.
It feels like it's like the heart of EIA. It's like the main part. It's like the core of EIA.
We also have those occasional times where the Islamic teachers or our sheikhs will come. They'll get us to sit down in the musalla and they'll just talk to us about Islam, and we'll have a really engaging conversation or Q&A that can help teach us more and be more connected to our religion.
Being able to just have this space to like come and just be in line with Allah, have a talk with Allah, and build my relationship with Allah in the school that I go to is a blessing.
We usually discuss problems in our grade. Sometimes we come to the prayer area and we discuss. I feel peaceful, and it's a really quiet place where we can do dhikr.
I'm so happy to have a school that has this building because it like makes it special to me. Like when I come here, I look at it as like my second home. It's something that I hold very close to my heart, alhamdulillah. I'm glad to have it.
I feel much closer to Allah, much closer to Islam, and it gives me a time to just relax and not having to think too much and stress too much.
We do some meetings in here because it's a peaceful and quiet place.
One time we had this Ramadan iftar and we all came here and we were all just sitting and doing dhikr and stuff because it was like a very calm and peaceful place, and it helped us kind of relax and enjoy our time.
But alhamdulillah, since coming to the Islamic school, there's been nothing but the emphasis of prayer and to always take time out of the day and to truly connect with Allah.
I think that it's a privilege that we get to have it, and I want the future students and the future generations to also have this privilege that we have.
I would also like my younger siblings to be able to experience the same journey as I did through being able to be more connected to Allah and our religion in general.
I hope that the new kids will feel very impacted and be thankful. And even in EIA, we don't have much space to pray, but then in the other school, it would be even bigger. So that way they'd have more space to pray.
I'm really looking forward to the new school's masjid because it can be bigger, it can be more dedicated, and we can really highlight and learn more importance there, especially starting off with our elementary kids who are younger, and we can really plant that seed for their growth.
Over the course of Ramadan, we would love to have the help and support for our new school's masjid.
For $5,000, you can support a whole prayer experience in the new school. Prayer is very important, and I believe we all should be part of it.